What's up guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add a new section to your LinkedIn profile from your mobile. So as you can see guys, I'm on the LinkedIn app on my phone, and to do this is super easy. So all you have to do is click your profile on the upper left hand side, click your picture, then simply tap your picture there or your name. It's going to take you over to your profile. Now at the top here you will see towards the middle of the screen here you will see that you have a section called add section. That's going to allow you to add sections on your profile. So as you can see here guys, if I scroll down, I have a few sections. I have a section that is basically called experience, education, skills, course, language, and all those stuff, organization. And you can easily add these if you so desire. Just simple tap on add section button and you'll have different sections that you can add. So you have a course section that you can add about you, education, skills, and all those good stuff. You have a recommended section that you can add things such as courses, projects, and other things such as certificates and so forth. And then at the bottom there, you have an additional section. So you can tap on additional and you can add other things such as test score, language, organization, cause, publications, and so forth. So let's take one as an example. In this case, I'm going to add, for example, a certificate. So I'm going to just go to the recommended section here, tap on certificate. I can type whatever I want. So let's say I'm going to just choose something. So I'm going to add something there, and I'm going to just add something here, and I'm going to just say basically change some date here just to make it very easy. So I'm going to set something there and going to leave the expiration date empty, and from here I'm just going to click on save. Now as you can see here guys, it is done. The section is added, and all you have to do is just click the X towards the upper left hand side, and that is all done. Now if I scroll down on my page here guys, you'll find that I have a section called certificate and license and certificate, and you will see that I have it there. At any point in time guys, you want to add something new to any one of those sections, just simple tap the plus to add more. So if I want to add something like a new language, here I can tap the plus to the right hand side of the language, and I can add a new language. So let's say I want to add something, I don't know, I'm going to choose something in that language here, and I'm going to choose a proficiency, and then I'm going to just click on save. And as you can see, I've added a new language, and those languages are there. If you're not seeing all the language, just simply click on show all languages, and it's going to take you over to where you can see all those languages. And that's how you basically add a new section on the LinkedIn app on your phone guys. Very easy and very simple.